Drink clove water at night after 60? The changes are shocking. If you are over 60 and you drink this one spice water before bed, your body begins changing while you sleep, and some of these changes cannot be undone, in a good way. Most seniors have no idea this is happening. Stay with me, because what clove water does at night may completely change how you age. Here's what doctors rarely explain: a nighttime is when your body repairs itself. Your liver detoxifies, your cells regenerate, inflammation quietly resets, and when you drink clove water before bed, you activate powerful compounds exactly when your body is most receptive, especially after 60. Let me show you what actually happens. In this video you will discover the shocking benefits of drinking clove water before bed few people know about. I'll also show you the exact way to prepare it, how to drink it for maximum results, and who should absolutely avoid this remedy altogether. The science behind it, the correct method, the precautions, everything you need to know is coming up next. You won't want to miss a single detail. Before we dive in, do us a quick favor, hit like and subscribe to become part of our healthy community. Also, let me know how old you are and where you're watching from. Drop your country in the comments below. Alright, let's get started. Benefit number 1, antioxidant repair. While you sleep, clove water floods your body with eugenol, vitamin C, vitamin E, and flavonoids. These compounds neutralize free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and protect aging cells from damage. Think of it as overnight cellular maintenance, something your body struggles to do naturally after 60. Benefit number 2, calms inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest reasons joints stiffen, muscles ache, and mobility declines with age. Eugenol in cloves works as a natural anti-inflammatory, quieting overactive inflammatory pathways, while your nervous system is at rest. Many seniors notice less morning stiffness and better movement within weeks. Benefit number 3, digestion reset. If you deal with bloating, gas, or indigestion, clove water gently kills harmful gut bacteria, stimulates digestive enzymes, and restores gut balance overnight. A healthier gut means better nutrient absorption, stronger immunity, and more energy the next day. Benefit number 4, liver detox support. Here's something fascinating: your liver does most of its detox work at night. Clove water contains hepatoprotective compounds that protect liver cells, prevent fat oxidation, support regeneration. This is critical after 60 when the liver becomes more vulnerable to damage. Benefit number 5, blood sugar stability. Between 1024 and 1222, researchers observed something remarkable. Compounds like eugenol and nigericin improve insulin sensitivity, glucose uptake by cells. This helps prevent overnight blood sugar spikes, a major hidden problem in older adults, even those without diabetes. Benefit number 6, stronger bones. Bone loss accelerates silently after 60. Clove compounds stimulate osteoblasts, bone-building cells, suppress osteoclasts, bone-breaking cells. Over time, this supports bone density and strength, reducing fracture risk naturally. Benefit number 7, dental and gum health. Clove water also acts like a natural mouth rinse. Its antibacterial properties fight tooth decay bacteria, gum inflammation. Many seniors notice healthier gums and less sensitivity without harsh chemicals. Benefit number 8, deeper, restorative sleep. Poor sleep accelerates aging. Clove compounds like beta-caryophyllene interact with the nervous system, reducing tension and calming the brain. This leads to deeper, more restorative sleep, especially between 21:12 and 23:05, when the body enters its most healing phase. Benefit number 9, skin and collagen support. While you sleep, clove water helps reduce inflammation, fight breakouts, boost collagen production. Result? Firmer skin, less redness, and healthier aging from within. Benefit number 10, cell protection. Laboratory studies show eugenol may trigger damaged cells to self-destruct, reduce oxidative stress, lower inflammation linked to abnormal cell growth. This is why researchers are exploring cloves for long-term cellular protection. How to prepare, simple and safe. Here's the correct way to make it. Boil 2 cups of water. Add 4 to 5 whole cloves. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Let cool, strain. Drink 1 glass before bed. Do not exceed 2 cups per day. Who should avoid it? Avoid clove water if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Taking blood thinners, have bleeding disorders. Preparing for surgery, stop 2 weeks prior. Have ulcers, IBS, or IBD. If you're over 60, comment clove below. Subscribe for more science-backed natural health tips.